Hello guys, how is it going? I wish you all would be fine and you all would be okay. So friends, welcome back to another video. Today I am having another wonderful and amazing project, and today I am going to make the video about project simply named as 123 Swap. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here you can see guys, I'm on the official website of the project 123 Swap, and if you want to check the website, I have provided the link in the description. You can check it out. So firstly, it is the Swap platform. You can see on the top. So this is the chart of the project, I mean the token, and it is simplicity is genius. So the main thing of this project is that we can receive, earn, send, hold, swap, and we can invest crypto and NFT in multiple chains using only 123 swap platform. So just using one platform, which is 123 swap, we can earn, invest crypto, hold, send, swap, and many other options. So here is the private sale of the project, I mean the coin. So it is featured on Benzinga and MarketWatch. So they have also provided the video of CEO Thomas Empresence, where we can you know know about the project furthermore. So in this video we can learn how to swap coins and how it could help your crypto journey. So I recommend you to watch it before you invest something, because you will get a huge information about the project. So elements that are connected. So it is actually seamless peer-to-peer crypto assisted platform, and of the wisdom of the crowd to create a community, command, a transplant, and decentralized ecosystem for Web3. So it is a decentralized ecosystem and peer-to-peer crypto assist swap platform. So and the main thing is that the users can easily mint, and as well as they can swap their NFTs token in this project within this project. So 123 yield is simple, secure, and hassle-free. In return, the platform retains a small percentage of the yield to cover the various operational, technical, and legal costs involved. You can read it out. It is the multiple chain access that is the main thing of this project. I mean, the main point of this project that encourage people to invest. It is the multiple channel assist management has never been easier. Whether it's BNB, Ethereum, TRX, or .123 Bridge platform has them all. So it is so tough to have BNB, Ethereum, TRX within this project, but 123 Bridge platform has all of them, which is the main thing of this project. So 123 swap tokens, the users can create and vote on governance proposals. By doing so, they directly influence the direction and characteristics of a protocol. So here are the benefits you can get, that are platforms comparison. Firstly, you will see arbitrage possibilities within this project and automated traders. There will be traders that will be automated, and cross-chain bridge, community governance. NFT minting or swap, valuation, all the things within this project. You can see how wonderful is this project. That's why I am recommending you. And PancakeSwap, multiple chain, XYZ, Inch Exchange. So here are the details of the token. You can understand it by just reading, and you can know better about project. So it's BSC means Binance Smart Chain, BIP20, Ethereum 20. It's a token symbol is just 123, so simple symbol. So here the security checked, and all the 123 smart contracts tokens sale included are all the tokens are basically secured and checked. So here is the finance protocol of the 123 swap live. You can see all it: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and each and everything within this project. So it's a DeFi chain swap yield farm platform with cross-chain assist NFT token integration. You can see Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Harmony One, etc. in this project. All the things within this project within a single platform, 123 Swap platform. So public sale is coming. Maybe we all are waiting for this. So private sale is ongoing here. You can check it out. The stage, private, public, all the things. And tokens price per token, lock investing. You can see all the things in the project, and they are saying that nice to meet you. It is a core team. The team is really working very hard for the promotion of this project, and I recommend all you to see their website and learn more about this project. And it's up to you, either you invest or not. So I must recommend you to see this project. Thank you.